Chanel. Eish, ke decided to watch this morning. I've been communicating like mama ga sala tlhokagala, and then I think 20 years back, guys. I think 20 years back. So ga le bua mo Facebook, ne? Then ke bikina le nomoro tsa gagwe not so long ago this year. So guys, I'm so nervous. I haven't seen these two boys in 20 years, if it's not 15, but it's been sale ke ba heletsa ile bana. Yo, I am so nervous, and ke molatela no ko mmerekong. I'm sure he's also nervous, like
in 300 meters, stay to the left.
Yo guys, I don't know, I will try to record the moment, the reaction, how I'll try to record that. Yo, yeah,
stay to the left to Governor and Becky Drive.
Stay tuned, guys. Hey, look who I am. Can I live with you? How many years? How many? 10?
11,
12? 2008. 2008. Good morning, guys. The way I keep on forgetting, I forgot. I was supposed to vlog in the morning, but then everyone was going to school, everyone was going to work. I was left with my granny and the ketchups. I was supposed to even go and buy material for my house. I didn't go. I ended up sending money to the builder because I just have a lot. I just have a lot already to do, and I'm alone. And time is running like so fast. So I don't know if I'll be able to vlog everything, but I'll try. If I don't, I'll definitely try. And also, guys, Gurman is so cold. I didn't bring like warm clothes. Like, there's a lot going on. But anyway, yeah, it's Tuesday. It's 10 o'clock now, and I have a lot of things to do. And I have 12 o'clock appointment for my interviews. So, yo, guys, every time when I'm in Kuruman, I don't understand. Because mala anchwering no yan. No. Hi, Bo. Guys, ke mala mangwala serasi like sebedisa ka se botlhoko iphile like yo. Anyway, don't be surprised or kireya ke mokoloing ka di pajama and stuff. I had to ask my husband to send someone to bring me some of the clothes go to the other house, which is not in Kuruman. So because I didn't bring a lot of clothes from Joburg. Bravo. Dinayang? Likay? Kati ba lumata 50,000 this weekend? Eh? Inyani 50,000. Eh, ngina lumata kunting stress. Well, in na 50. Ya fita kai, mikira kisa di kick ni ken. Awana bo batandi kick ni. Lumata mo jakatel. Awana bo batandi kick ni, mikira doni di kick ni taka. Nyaman. Eh, rata tukunya ta hela lampula ya man majita. Hebat. Wana linyati lan kila.